Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to archive all your check-ins on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook by navigating to facebook.com in your browser. Once it loads, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once inside, click on Activity Log. This section is where you can manage all your Facebook activity. Inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. Here, you'll find various types of posts you've made over time. Now, locate the Check-ins option within the Posts section and click on it. This will display all the check-ins you've made on Facebook. To archive all your check-ins at once, simply select All from the available options. Then, click on Archive, and just like that, all your check-ins will be safely archived. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize and archive your check-ins on Facebook using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching.